Building an online auto parts store. An overview of essential features. Having an automotive e-commerce platform online can quickly reach your auto parts store to thousands of potential customers. With a commercial website, you can easily begin catering to leads that conduct online searches for specific auto parts they need. Are you interested in having your own digital store? Then know how to create and launch an Autoparts website. Here, we have provided an overview of its basic elements and the essential factors that are involved in the creation of e-commerce websites for Autoparts. Backend. The backend umbrella of developing an online Autoparts store is directly related to your website's database. For this, we usually rely on content management systems like WordPress, Magento, etc. But we can also build it from scratch or make it more attuned to your specific requirements. An online store needs to have a sturdy and efficient database architecture characterized by following details. Product and customer details. Price and discount details. Orders, import history and shipping details. Securing credit card and password details. Autoparts store website. The Automotive Parts e-commerce website is what greets your customers and gives them the information fetched in the backend. So you have to make it presentable and detailed as possible. With their information like parts characterized by model name, make and year manufactured, merchandise banner and discount banner, customer support. Then comes the product page. The product page requires nothing less than a thorough and accurate information. Here are the factors that more or less play an integral part in this aspect. They are auto part details, Q&A, reviews, return policy, filter and refine search options, buy now button, payment page, images and screenshots, and at last, miscellaneous information and other fields. So, all in all, a mobile app design and websites are being developed for one purpose, that is convenience. So, with the right e-commerce website development team at your side, everything should be smooth sailing from start to finish. Thank you for watching. Contact our experts to start your e-commerce journey. Let us design your online auto parts store to empower your business.